Hey y'all, good morning and welcome back to Tasty Yet Healthy. I'm Tracy and this is my kitchen. This morning we're making veggie omelets. A lot of people don't eat breakfast in the morning, and those that don't are missing out on some really great health benefits, especially those that are trying to lose weight. When you wake up in the morning, you're breaking that fast of overnight. So you want to put something good in your body. It keeps your metabolism, it starts your metabolism, then keeps it going throughout the day. And when you eat a healthy breakfast, it's proven that you try to make healthier food choices throughout the day. So this morning we're just going to make a very basic veggie omelet. Very easy. It's done within 10 minutes. So let's start our day. Okay, so to make these veggie omelets this morning, we want to start with our skillet at a medium high, or medium heat, not medium high, sorry. And we're going to use 4 eggs. The perfect omelets are normally 4 or 3 eggs, but we're using 4 this morning. And we're only going to use salt, pepper, and oregano to season them. Our veggies this morning are tomatoes, red onions, and those that like mushrooms can add mushrooms. I say that because my husband and son does not like mushrooms, so only mine has mushrooms. All right, so I'm gonna mix everything up. Well, our omelet is all done this morning, and it didn't take a lot of time. Just making sure that you have some fresh veggies on hand, and of course our eggs, and you can whip breakfast up very quickly. And even if you don't have time to put 10 minutes into an omelet, eat a banana, eat strawberries, eat some kind of fruit, break that fast from the night, get that metabolism going in the morning. But I'm ready to try my omelet this morning. I always measure up to my dad. Growing up, he was the omelet maker in the house, even though he didn't eat a single egg. But I always measure up to those omelets. So let's give it a try and see how it turned out. Oh, I can see all these veggies in it. Like I said, I put mushrooms, onions, and tomatoes, the red in it. You can taste the oregano, and we kept it very simple. Salt, pepper, oregano. Not a lot needed for this very nutritious breakfast that's tasty yet healthy. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time in the Tasty Yet Healthy kitchen.